Creating an AI influencer. That is what everyone is trying to do in 2024. And the reason for this is because the immense capabilities, the new technology, and the amount of profit you can generate from doing this. So we're going to go through how you do that and how you get that model on Instagram and scale that account today.
Now, first of all, you're going to need to know how to create an AI model. If you don't know how to do this already, Sunday, the 28th of January at 7 p.m. UK time. So that should be accessible to everyone. If you're in Australia, it'll be in the morning. If you're in America, sit on a toilet your whole lunch break and fucking do it there. What we will teach you in this webinar is how to create a perfect AI model and how to replicate this over and over again. So this will allow you to set up an Instagram, get pictures on Instagram, and you can replicate this to make a whole Instagram feed and keep uploading to Instagram. So if you are looking to create an AI model, attend this webinar tomorrow. The link to sign up will be in the description. There is very little places left, so be sure to sign up very quickly.
Right, so how do you make money via Instagram with an AI model? Now, obviously, you're not going to be able to post one picture and get £100 back. You are going to be able to do it on OnlyFans. However, Instagram, not as much. You need to scale and grow influence first. So how do you do it? Like Kyle just mentioned, get on a webinar or a course and learn how to make these AI models. That is step one, obviously. If you don't have an AI model, you can't fucking scale anything. So do that. Secondly, you need to select what Instagram account you're going to be using. So you're going to start from fresh, or you're going to buy an account and then start to grow it that way. There's two ways of looking at it, and we're going to discuss the pros and cons.
So with a fresh new Instagram account, you're going to have a lot of organic traffic coming in because you're going to have 0 shadow bans on your account from buying followers, and you're going to be able to follow a load of people without Instagram detecting that you're some kind of bot account. The cons of this is that you have 0 followers. So to people who are going to follow you, you may look like a bit of a bot. They're going to be thinking, why is this attractive girl got 0 followers? However, if you buy an Instagram account, you start off with, say, 10k followers, you're going to look more legit to people who want to follow you. However, if you're posting reels and you want to be on the discovery page, this is going to be halted by Instagram.
And if you are starting off with an AI influencer, you may not be the best at making that model absolutely perfect. So you may have a few problems. So if you did start with an account with lots of followers, you may have some dramas there and a lot of people commenting on that post. However, you can use this to your advantage. If people are realizing problems with the image that you haven't personally seen, then that's basically feedback for you to improve on. So don't see it as hate, see it as feedback on how to make the model even better and things to look out for in the future. Now, if we had a one-on-one call, for example, we'll be able to tell you this anyway. However, if you are working independently, just have a course or something along the lines, then you'll be able to identify this by that feedback and therefore improve from the data.
So there's 2 routes you can go with an AI influencer. One easy way to monetize this content is obviously posting to a platform like OnlyFans, funneling all your followers towards an OnlyFans or fan view. Now, the way this generates income is very, very obvious. Horny men will come to the account and they'll want to purchase nude content off of this model. Easy to create with AI as well. Or you can go a more standard influencer route. This is going to be a lot harder to monetize. However, if you get noticed by brands and etc. to do brand deals with this AI model, you can make money this way as well, no problem.
And because the model looks real, but it's AI, a lot of people are going to see that and it's going to be very significant. It's like seeing a disabled model go down the run walk in a wheelchair. Everyone knows that it's fucking retarded. However, people still watch it because it's different. Same with AI. It's the same with AI. It's different. So it brings in an audience that people want to see. So if you are going down the branding route with AI, it's very popular nowadays and you will grow a lot quicker than a normal model would.
So AI model started off early 2023. Now we're in 2024 and the capabilities of AI is only growing. So it's not at its peak right now. However, with technology advancing, more investors coming into the space, more softwares will be generated and you'll be able to get more realistic images, videos to be able to actually make a fully AI influencer. This will literally erase all Instagram models, all OnlyFans models in the future, because you'll have people behind a screen who can generate content all day long, custom content for the fans, and create videos as well. And can an Instagram model do this? Unless they want to work 24 hours a day, no, they can't. So that is the basics of setting up an AI influencer. If you want to learn how to actually create these models, attend the webinar in the description if you're on time, of course. If you're watching this at a later date, we do have a course. We do offer coaching and there is plenty of videos on our channel explaining how to exactly do this. So what I'm trying to say is AI is not at its peak right now. There will be plenty more time for it to grow, and it is a natural occurrence that will happen. Think of a fat cunt walking into McDonald's, buying 6 burgers, and they're on their first one. We're on the first stage of AI right now. It's inevitable that that fat cunt will eat 5 more burgers before they leave that restaurant, and it's the same with AI. We've still got another 5 stages to go before it reaches the peak. So you want to jump on it right now before other people jump on it and it gets saturated to fuck. Plus, this will grow your skills and allow you to get early in the game so you don't miss this business opportunity.